Hello, welcome to Chemistry Buds. Today I will discuss the instrumentation and working of mass spectrometer. हमें already पढ़ी सारी the fundamentals and the principle of mass analysis in the mass spectrometer. Today we will complete the instrumentation and working. So, in mass spectrometer, we can study the solid, liquid, and gas. We can determine the molecular mass accurately. Okay. So, when the substance is solid or liquid, then it is a gasified. So, the first step is the sample injection. The sample is injected to the mass spectrometer. Then it is gasified. Second process is gasification, and the instrument operates at a pressure of 10 to the power minus 6 mm mercury. So this indicates the spectra is studied almost in vacuum. So next step is the filament current. In the next chamber, the filament current, that is a stream of high speed electron. Its energy almost 10 electron volt to 70 electron volt. Okay. Then this leads to the ionization and the fragmentation of the substance injected, and subsequently it is accelerated, and the acceleration is through the electric field. Then in the next step, it is subjected to the magnetic field. So in the previous video, I have discussed the role of magnetic field, and the role of magnetic field is to deflect the ions as per their mass. Okay. So what is the deflection? The deflection is the change in an object's velocity as a consequence or influence of a field. Here, the field is the magnetic field. When the radical cation or the cation pass through the magnetic field, it is deflected according to its mass. Okay. So हमें ऑलरेडी जानी सारी से जो मास स्पेक्ट्रोमीटर केवल मास को ही डिटेक्ट करे, दैट इज इन द फॉर्म ऑफ m by e. So e is 1. So the m by e is equal to mass of the respective ion. Okay. So then after deflection, it is come to the ion detector. So the ion detector is a photomultiplier tube which detects the ions. Then it feeds to the amplifier, and the amplifier connected to computer, and finally the graph is displayed. So this is the algorithm of the instrumentation step by step procedure. केमिति sample injection ठारू आरंभ करी ionization, deflection, ionization, acceleration, deflection, and finally display of mass spectra. Okay. So in the previously for the gasification for operating pressure, that is 10 to the power minus 6 mm, almost vacuum. Okay, so why this is made such a low pressure inside the instrument? Why the vacuum is maintained? It is maintained in order to avoid the intermolecular interionic collisions. आयन भितर collision न होबा पई कि आउ molecule भितर collision न हो पई कि the pressure is made so low. And also in the vacuum the neutral molecules will remain, they will not move further. Okay, so now let us come to the details of the instrumentation. Okay, mechanism. So here there are this is the instrument schematic diagram. So here A is a slit, B is a slit, C, D, E. These are different slits. So why so many slits are used? The role of the slits is to regulate the flow of substance. कम परिमाण रो substance flow करिवा पाई at a time we have used different slits. So at the first slit, when the substance is injected into this spectrometer, so this is a chamber, this is called a heating coil and a gasification chamber. So this is the gasification chamber. So the substance is converted to gas, then it passes through the second slit B. So this chamber is the ionization chamber. Okay, so this is called the ionization chamber. Okay, here there is a electron gun, or that electron gun injects the high speed electrons, and जो इलेक्ट्रॉन इंजेक्ट करे तार एनर्जी होची 10 इलेक्ट्रॉन वोल्ट रु 70 इलेक्ट्रॉन वोल्ट. So 10 electron volt is sufficient to make the molecule a single cation. Okay, unit positive cation. गोटे इलेक्ट्रॉन इंजेक्ट करबा पई 10 electron volt is sufficient. But as we have used very high electron volt, 70 electron volt, this also will leads to the fragmentation of the molecule. Molecule ro fragmentation hobo, khanda khanda heijibo. So and here there is a electron collector. Why? When the molecule passes through this slit, it is coming in contact with the electron beam, it is bombarded with electron beam, so it moves as a molecular ion or radical cation, and two electrons are available, ejected out. So these electrons are collected and it is fit for recycling, because otherwise a huge amount of electron will be available there. So when the molecular ion and other fragmented cations pass through the slit C, slit C मध्य जेतेबेले molecular ion M plus और fragmented ions to formation हबो pass करिवे. So इठी हमर किछि neutral molecule रही जिवो. So these neutral molecules will remain here, it will not move further because of the vacuum. जो प्रेशर कम करा जाय छै को वैक्यूम करा जाय छै से न्यूट्रल मॉलिक्यूल मूव करिवो ना. So after the ionization, the molecule and the ion enter into the electric field. You see, the electric field is so designed, it is a series of electrodes are there, and the first electrode is positively charged. Okay, and the subsequent electrodes are negatively charged and more negatively charged. देखो ये electrode की single negative charge, a double negative charge, a triple negative charge. So many further electrodes are there. They are negatively charged. So ଯେତେବେଳେ कि ଗୋଟେ positively charged ion pass କରିବ ए बाटा देखि आसीबो एठी acceleration होला ପରେ. ओके एठी कोन हो ना तार पॉजिटिव चार्ज अछि ताको रिपेल करिवो. However, the negative charge will attract. So the cation or radical cation will move at the middle and it will get accelerated. So this is also the electric field accelerates the neutral molecules in this ionization chamber will not be allowed to be accelerated in the electric field. So the electric field accelerates the radical cations or cations formed in the ionization chamber, and it imparts a equal kinetic energy. So when these radical cations or cations they reach here, okay. So at this point, this is at this slit D, it is subjected to the magnetic field. I have already explained the role of magnetic field. So magnetic field ro काम होछि एठी सबु तक आयन आसे पहुंचिले with the same kinetic energy, but they have different masses. So the different mass अछि same kinetic energy अछि ताल कोन होबो ना जहार लो mass तार velocity अधिक रहबो आ जहार कम जहार अधिक mass तार velocity कम रहबो because kinetic energy is same for all the ions. So इसे तो पहुंचिले इस this slit D देखिए तो pass करेंगे, it is the magnetic field. Okay, so this is the mass analyzer. पहले कौन सी टाइप हो? जो magnetic field अच्छी, so magnetic field का काम होता है it will assign a particular route. It will assign a particular route to the respective cations. Okay, it will particular route to the respective cations. Okay, so the ion which is lighter will be deflected more. जो आयन मास कम से डिफ्लेक्टेड अधिका हबो आ तार वेलोसिटी जेतु अधिका इट विल बी कलेक्टेड फास्ट. So already I have defined the definition of deflection. It is the deviation from the normal path. Okay, the velocity, the change in object's velocity as a consequence or influence of magnetic field. Okay, so this one. Okay, so we have so our list deflected होची जो type of. So this is the AM plus the highest mass is here, and this is the lowest. Next lower one. Then this one, then this one. Okay, so these ions are now deflected, and this is the detector. This is the detector. So this detector is a photomultiplier tube. Okay, so when the ions strike this photomultiplier tube, this is the recorded, amplified and sent to the computer, which record and display the graph. Okay, so here the detector detects the ions and their numbers. Suppose this is the molecular ion. The molecular ion is formed when one electron is removed from the molecule. So how these data are collected by the detector and subsequently displayed in the form of graph. Let us see that. Okay. Say we have injected 1000 molecules of the sample. The sample substance contains a very small amount is injected, and that is a 1000 molecules. So when 1000 molecules subjected to electron bombardment, electron bombardment collect, it is converted to the molecular cation, the radical cation of the molecule, say 900, and the neutral molecules which were not ionized, say 100 molecules, and they remain in the vacuum. I have already explained. So, due to the high energy of the electron beam, say this molecular ion fragments, say M1 plus M2 plus M3 plus M4 plus M5 plus, and some of the radical cation remain as such. Okay. So out of this, suppose now we will consider, say the mass of the M1 fragment, M2 fragment, M3, M4 are like this. Say this is 50, 100, 150, 200, 225 and 250. So 250, it is the molecular mass of the substance taken. And number of ions of the M1 form, that is that detected in the photomolecular tube, say 150, and M2 is 50, so M3 100, M4 200, M5 300, and capital N plus, that is 100. So this is the number of ions, radical cations or cations detected in the detector. So how the mass spectra is displayed? The basis here, I mean, the number of cations detected 150, 50, 100, 200, 300, 100. सबुठारु अधिका होछि कोटा. दिस सबुठारु अधिका होछि कोटा ना, दिस इज 300. सो दिस 300 जोटा हैला ताकू आमे धरिबा तार पीक रो हाइट हबो 100%. ओके. सो ताकू तार पीक हाइट को 100% धरि अलगा आयन मानकर पीक हाइट असाइन करा जबो बा कैलकुलेशन करा जबो. ओके. सो यदि कैलकुलेट करिबा ताकू 100 धरला पर the M1 रो पीक हाइट तार पीक हाइट रो केते परसेंट हो. सो 150 by 300 into 100, that is 50%. Okay. Similarly, 50 by 300 into 100, that is 17%. So 100 by 300 into 100, that is 33%. So similarly, 200 by 66%. Okay. Again 100 by 33%. So how this the graph is obtained? Okay. So the graph also mass spectra. This is the graph versus x-axis M by E, और right-axis your relative abundance of different ions. So relative abundance of the ions we have calculated for that. So this is for M plus the highest. We have taken the scale M by E in the x-axis, and this is the second one is M5. Okay, say M5 plus. So this one is the highest peak, that is called base ion peak. So हमरो जो आयन रो नंबर सबठो अधिका डिटेक्ट करिवो डिटेक्टर, so that will be the base peak. That means that peak height is 100%. So this is 100%. So this is 50%. Okay. So and the other peaks are assigned their heights. Say this is M5, this is M4 plus M3 plus M4, M5. Okay. So in this way the mass spectrometer works, and finally the graph is displayed. So from this we can propose the molecular structure and also the mechanism of fragmentation. Okay. So I hope this is helping you, and I have elaborately explained the instrumentation of mass spectrometer, how the substance is paired and consequent changes and detection, and finally representation in the form of mass spectra. Okay. So in the next video we will discuss the fragmentation mechanism and more about the peaks. Okay, because this spectra determine the molecular mass so accurately, and we have some isotopes C12, C30, chlorine 35, chlorine 37, okay, and their abundances. So the mass spectra will also give the isotopic peak. Okay. So, and that isotopic peak and fragmentation we will study in the coming video. Thank you for watching.